Amid a tree-covered hillside in the rural area of Santiago, Nuevo León, Mexico, stands a house that makes the landscape its true protagonist. House El Barrial transforms family living into an act of contemplation, far from the bustle of the city. Glass, stone, and wood engage in dialogue with the valley and surrounding mountains. Designed by Bimura Design Studio, the residence spans approximately 630 square meters and was completed in 2019. Its spaces are divided into two independent volumes connected through nature. The first contains the social areas, living, dining, and an open-plan kitchen, oriented toward the terrace and swimming pool. The second volume houses the bedrooms, linked by a main corridor naturally lit at both ends. Its style blends rustic elements, raw wood, stone, exposed concrete, with an industrial loft character, where technical precision contrasts elegantly with the natural setting. The chosen materials emphasize the project's rustic industrial character: raw wood, local stone, exposed concrete, and black steel frames. Large openings allow the view of the valley to flow into the interior. Inside, custom-made furniture complements the context and reinforces a sense of unity. Nature becomes the main element of the project, with architecture designed to frame and embrace it. The house is positioned to maximize its connection to the surroundings, set back from the city's noise along a dirt road, nestled on a hillside with panoramic views of trees and mountains. The use of local stone and raw wood reinforces the connection with the surroundings and the topography. The vernacular material reflects the spirit of the place. The circulation between volumes, the fluid transition between interior and exterior, the open views toward the valley, and the use of raw materials create an experience that balances family interaction with serenity and contemplation. The clear separation between social and private life is articulated through nature itself. The master bedroom opens onto privileged views of the valley, becoming almost a personal spa. The wooden ceiling adds warmth to the interior, while the glass visually expands the space outward, enhancing the sense of integration. The corridor connecting the bedrooms naturally lit at both ends, creates an intimate circulation space. The dirt road climbing up the hill emphasizes the project's distance from the city's hustle, turning it toward the contemplation of the landscape. House El Barrial demonstrates how a residence can let the landscape take center stage, fostering a way of living in harmony with the environment. It reminds us that contemporary architecture can be both simple and sophisticated, deeply connected to nature, without having to choose between home and land, between community and contemplation.